How to fix WhatsApp not opening. Hello guys, in this video or this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening easy and fast. Or what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, scroll down, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here, all what you have to do is scroll until you find WhatsApp and then click on it. When you click on it, you have to do here is easy. Click on the permissions and then enable the storage permission and the camera permission and the microphone permission. Those things must be enabled. Go back, click here on force stop to stop the application from working, and now you have to do one thing: just reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.